I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Chipotle promo code. So let's get started. So Chipotle is another fast food chain, and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Chipotle promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna go over to the first website on Washington Post, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're there on this website, you're gonna see the logo, and as you guys can see that this is for September 2023. So for this month. So here the first code is instant 30% off with this promo code. So you can click use code, and it's gonna show you the code. So BMSW30 is the promo code for getting a 30% off. You can then click this link, visit Chipotle, where you can choose your products and use this code at checkout to get a 30% discount. There are many other discount codes you can get. For example, buy one entry, which is a food on the menu, get one free. So this is an ongoing offer right now, so you don't need a coupon code for it. So you can directly click view offer, which is going to take you to their website, and you can directly purchase one from there. Well, there's another one here which says $15 off your order. So you can just click use code, and then it's going to show you a code, which is this is the code. So you can copy it and use it at checkout to get a $15 off. Alright, now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Alright, then there is this website, Coupon Follow. You can click on it. So once you're here, you're gonna see many offers. So the first one is save $4. Let's see, when I say $4, you can click on it, and this is the code for saving $4. Then you can also see many other codes here, and whatever you like, you can use it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.